Cheero everyone. You must be thinking, my dear student, what is cheero? Cheero means Ram Ram, right? If another synonym for the cheero, we people always say hi, hello, and for Ram Ram you can say cheero. Prostrate means to have someone bow down and to respect someone, that is called prostrate. Another word I would like to give for cheero, kowtow, Kowtwo. Kowtow means again to just bow down and just greet someone. Greet means say namaste to someone. So, good evening everyone. We were discussing a word that was P, and we all know without verb we cannot make sentence. And dear student, if you keep watching my all the videos, you will find all the verb. And we have already discussed 30 to 35 verb in my last video. So we were discussing P, and P has 50 to 60 more verb. And if you learn all these verbs, so your English would be very good. So let's discuss. Suppose you want to say उसने वह झूठी गवाही दे रहा था. So what is the word for झूठी गवाही देना? उसने उसके खिलाफ मुकदमा दायर किया. What is the word for मुकदमा दायर करना? उसने उसको बहुत परेशान किया. What is the word for परेशान करना? उसने उसको मनाने की कोशिश की. What is the word for मनाने की कोशिश की? So these words if you have in English, so it would be very easy. Suppose you want to say झूठी गवाही दे रहा था. He was perjuring. Testimony is गवाही. Perjuring means झूठी गवाही देना, right? So perjure means झूठी गवाही, and परेशान करना is called persecute. So we are going to discuss few words again. First is percolate. Percolate, my dear friends. Suppose from your tap water is dripping, नीचे टपक रहा है, पानी टपकना is called percolate. And the synonym is seeping, dripping, oozing. So these are the synonym. You can say water was oozing, water was percolating, water was seeping, and water was dripping. Dripping is used for the sealant in the house. मेरे घर में sealant आ गई है. There is a dripping in my house. There is a sipping in my house. There is a seepage in my house. Another one is perform. For the beginner, it's perform is a new word, and for those who are learning advanced English, perform means to just give a performance. In he performed very well. Virat Kohli performed very well. The synonym is to carry out or to execute and operate. He really operated well. He really performed well, and he really carried out well. The third is उसने मुझे खतरे में डाल दिया. So can you imagine what is the word for खतरे में डाल दिया? Generally we use he put me in danger, but he imperiled me. IMPERIL. Imperil means खतरे में डालना. और उसके अलावा if you use he jeopardized me. Jeopardize means he put me into the danger. So two words I am giving you: jeopardize, endanger. Danger is a noun and endanger is a verb. Verb means इसने मुझे खतरे में डाल दिया. He has endangered me. He has jeopardized me, and he has imperiled me. Next is झूठी गवाही देना. Right? The word is perjure. PERJURE. Perjure means that falsify and to give a false testimony. उसने झूठी गवाही दी. He perjured in the court. That means PERJURE. That means the one who has given false testimony. Right? गवाही देना, my dear friend, is testify. Testimony is that गवाही, and गवाही देना is testify, and झूठी गवाही देना is perjure. Next is perpetuate. आजकल in most of the newspaper perpetuate is very common. Perpetuate means to sustain. He is not able to perpetuate in politics. So perpetuate means to sustain, to continue, or to maintain. Now very common word perpetrate. Perpetrate मतलब जुर्म करना, right? So he and जुर्म करने वाला is called perpetrator, right? Vikas Dubey is one of the biggest perpetrator. He was one of the big culprit. He was gangster. So जुर्म करने वाला is called perpetrator, and he has perpetrated. He has done number of perpetration, and he has perpetrated also. Another is Persecute. Persecute, my dear friend, to trouble someone, to bother someone, to afflict. AFFLICT. He is persecuting me. That's mean वो मुझे तंग कर रहा है. He is pestering me. PESTR. Pester means तंग करना. Bother, trouble. So these words are for तंग करना. And my dear friends, I must tell you, if you really want these words and synonyms, you will have to like my video and you will have to subscribe, so that I will have a kind of push up and I will be bringing more and more videos, because it's not easy to make video. It takes time, and I have done a big research and a research of 15 years on verb. So I will be just coming to you with new verb every day, and verb you all know, without it. And because of verb we make noun also. Perpetuate, perpetuation, right? And like this, perjure, perjury. Perjury means झूठी गवाही, and झूठी गवाही देना is called perjure. So perjury is noun and perjure is a verb. If you learn verb, so you can make number of noun. Contribute. Contribute is a verb and contribution is noun. Another word is prosecute. Now one word is perpetuate, another is persecute. Persecute means तंग करना, and prosecute means to litigate. किसी के खिलाफ मुकदमा दायर करना is called prosecute. I am going to prosecute against him. I am going to litigate against him. I am going to sue him in the court. So prosecute means litigate, bring into the court, sue and take to the court. So don't get confused. Prosecute and persecute. Persecute means to trouble someone, and prosecute means to take someone to the court. Second last word is persevere. Persevere means peruse. Peruse means बहुत मेहनत करना. Peg away. He is pegging away. He is persevering. He is perusing. He is hardworking. He is sweat. SWAT. Sweating means it's hard work. I'm not talking about sweat. SWEAT. I'm not talking SWAT. Sweat means do hard work, and SWOT SWAT means to beat someone very badly. And the last word is persuade. Persuade means बनाना. Cajole. अब cajole कैसे याद रखोगे? Kajol in DDLJ movie, she persuaded Amrish Puri for going to that Shah Rukh Khan's home. So persuade and cajole, that means convince करना and conciliate भी करना, उसको शांत करना and मनाना is called conciliate, convince, persuade, and the last one is cajole. So dear student, these are the verbs. If you learn these verbs, that would be great for you to make sentence. Otherwise you will definitely, you must have stuck at the point झूठी गवाही देना. वो झूठी गवाही दे रहा था, he was perjuring. वो झूठ तंग कर रहा था, he was persecuting. उसने वो मुकदमा दायर कर रहा था, he was prosecuting, right? So these are the verbs. If you will have command over these verbs, English will be in your fist. So that's all for today, and keep watching my video and keep liking. I say I will be getting a kind of boost if you keep watching. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening.